Direction of our change escalates integration. We all know no one can exist on their own. We are affecting and affected by others. Therefore, everything will change and keep changing. We know the only constant is change. But knowing this is useless because it is hollow. It's like knowing that there is money, but not knowing where or how to get it. So we need to know where change is leading us and how to be the master of important changes. As the poet tells us, the only constant change of civilization is to deepen, expand, expedite, and intensify integration with others, with the diverse others. Transportation and communication escalates integration amongst men. It expands markets, creates jobs, drives economies. The richest become richer. As Rockefeller did, he was selling petroleum to the world, and in 1916 became the world's first billionaire. Let's look at what happened since the Industrial Revolution. Inventions of railways, the telegraph, the telephone. Then growth stagnated. Conclusion, outbreak of World War I. Later on came the automobile, radio, television. Then the world stagnated. The conclusion, the outbreak of World War II. Let's go on. Today, aeroplanes, networks, internet, computers, iPads, iPhones, and so on. The world stagnates. And what do we have? Today's crisis. Today, technology has connected us as one global village, escalating integration amongst men, but no longer adequate to create jobs or drive economies. With development slowing down, the economy stagnates. We face growing unemployment in both labor and of the brain. We overproduce food, cement, concrete, housing. Crises emerge, spreading and escalating everywhere. When integration among men becomes saturated, we need industries that integrate us beyond men. Integration with nature, water and energy will be the next major drivers. Now let's look back at the 3 C's: clean, convenient, and cheap. With clean, convenient water and energy that's cheap, we can improve agriculture, housing, city planning, which, in the essence of integration, will immediately improve our environment. Our integration with our environment will enable other industries. These industries will give employment to us all, improving our overall environment, and will then beautify our natural environment. We will present inventions that brilliantly harness the forces of immense Mother Nature, and we will achieve the 3 C's. With water, energy, we all can drive economy, initiate new industries, and beautify the environment. So for today, the message is very, very simple. And I urge you all, let's go back to the basics and look after Mother Nature and our environment. Thank you.